Oh, mo na ang giingon ni Chin lagi. Kaning kamot gihapog. Kana gadud murag legit, gadud kay magkiang, gadud si Ja. Oh, murag motukod, ida mo itukod.
He is in Carson.
Oh. Don't drop your phone.
Yeah.
I know why he's feeling car sick because he's facing the opposite.
Who?
Then let him up front.
Yeah.
Who is facing the opposite?
Tatay.
You're young and
Tatai?
No, I've been.
It's okay.
You can.
Then throw out the back.
Go. You lead the way, hon. We don't know where we're going.
Yeah, we're going that way. Just follow the signs.
I don't see signs.
Follow this is the cattle trail. How about?
Gidagat. Magbakas-bakas. Ito naman siya. Kung gidagat, dari ko. Labad ako. Ang siya mo sa natin. Labad ito. Dito sa ano. Hindi ko doon sa init. Kaya sa isang bakil. Marin sila rin ang kalabas. Whereas, magbakas-bakas ka. Mura bag. Mapugos ka.
Abgang giman siya na isla. Kilid. Right here.
Yes.
Oh, they're all right.
You want guava? I want you guava. Guava? Guava. Ay, oh. Guava.
Yes. Bayabas. Wow, bayabas.
Honey, I don't know what is guava. I cut guava trees. Come on. I mean, like we can get this.
Hi.
Nancy, you can always go to Cappy's house and get as much as you like. Without going through that.
Hi. Love you too. Are we just following these weird rocks?
You look very pretty.
Are we just following the steps made out of rocks?
What? Huh? Can we get them up here then? There's guava everywhere. Oh, just look around.
not going, are you? Yeah, me too. And my legs already hurt from walking up here. Guess we're just gonna wait.
Yeah?
I don't know why. And I'm literally recording right now.
Don't let her see that.
What?
She's gonna yell at us later.
What?
She's gonna review that and say, oh, you guys are talking about me. But she's grouchy, huh? She's gonna get mad when she hears this. Should erase it.
Okay. I don't know how you erase it. Let's go. Come on, Daddy.
Watch out for the people.
Okay. I'm watching out.
I don't tell at this point. Right? Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Let's just keep going, ignore them. If they made their choice, they would have gotten a lot of guava here.
Do you see any? Not really looking. I see guava trees, but look for guava trees that have fruit.
What does a guava look like?
It's usually yellow.
Just yellow,
This
that's
is a
it.
guava tree. This kind right here.
That
But
one with the big leaves?
This kind. But we want a smaller one.
This kind? Or is that a rainbow tree? Is that a rainbow tree?
No, that's guava.
Ew. I saw a weird bug with a red and yellow, and it was on my arm. It looked like a mosquito, but it was not.
One with fruit. Look for something with little yellow balls.
Like these
Let's
nuts.
go and see if this is worth going to.
If it's not worth going to, I'm gonna be.
Well, that's the bridge.
What bridge?
Just out, I think. Oh, it's a loop.
It's just a loop.
Yeah.
Probably people that didn't notice, they're just gonna be walking in circles for like.
Yellow fruit.
They're just gonna be walking in circles for like half an hour and found nothing. I'm like, what? And they're gonna be like, what? What is this? What does this mean? What does that mean?
Trails.
Why is it pointing at each other?
Because you can go either direction. It's want to make sure people don't go off the trail. That's probably why they put the fence.
Yeah, it's just a loop. I can tell it's a circle.
Guava. What?
You see a dot from my camera. Gotta make sure it's clear, or else.
It's gonna be mean to me, I know it.
Why?
Oh, why didn't you come here and do what I say and stay here? She's gonna be mad. I'm in trouble. Always she gets mad at me.
Don't worry, Daddy. When it was Father's Day, you didn't really get attacked. So whenever you don't get attacked, I save it for another day.
Okay.
And I'm gonna say no. And I'm gonna grab her hand and clamp her.
You clamp
I'm gonna try clamping her.
it. Pretty cool here. I like it. It's nice and cool.
Yeah, it's better than the city. Too loud. Too much people. I think we're the only ones walking here. Yeah, we're the only ones. Why does this tree have a bunch of wood? Is this roots?
Yeah, those are roots.
Why is it so big and popping out? Because it has a lot?
It's a Hala tree.
Why does a Hala tree show their
Look
roots?
at that. This is where Mitch jumps off from.
Mitch?
Yeah, he jumps here.
Wait, Uncle Mitch?
Yeah, he jumps from here.
That's scary.
Scary, right?
Yeah.
Jumps into the water there.
Ah,
That's
jeez.
crazy, right?
Yeah, that's really scary.
It's nuts.
How is he gonna get back up?
Climbing that way.
Why? You can actually go down there?
Yeah.
Oh.
But it's scary here. See how they knocked down the fence? Because people want to jump. The local kids jump there.
Wait. Oh my God. Did they do that or the local kids? The local kids
The
or
local kids did that, yeah.
they grabbed like an axe or whatever and then
Yeah.
rah.
I think they probably just maybe wire cutters and push it over.
But they didn't really reach that. Clancy and Mama Nemi and Mommy and
Here's where you and Logan can jump. Can jump here.
That would be so nice.
That's where Mitch jumped. I refused to. I did it one time in my life when I was first time here. Don't go too close. You're not. He could do it.
why
This
are
is
you
where Mitch
so
jumped.
scared? Why are you
jumped
so
one time
scared?
in here when I first moved here.
Why are you so scared?
It's dangerous.
It's not
You can hurt
dangerous.
yourself if you do that.
But Uncle Mitch did it.
Well, Uncle Mitch is Uncle
Yeah,
Mitch. Oh my God, you're gonna hit me too.
We might ask you to help me.
You didn't
crash
tell
that
me until I
guava.
got all the way up.
I asked
And
you.
I'm following Tilly. She's alone.
No, don't grab this.
You almost poked Yancy off the
I
cliff.
know, she almost poked me.
Get
off the
rid of
cliff.
it.
I could have
It's terrible.
fell.
Yeah. Tried to kill the husband and kill the son.
Kill the
Listen,
son.
if I ask something and you don't give it to me.
You didn't say anything till I was up with Tilly.
And
I
even
asked you.
and I didn't even want to go back down. No, don't bring that. You're gonna make me cry again.
This is for catching the guava. If I might find something else.
What is this?
That's some bullshit shit.
What?
I don't know, some fruit trees.
Oh, I'm bringing one. Ew. I didn't see that.
Labad ang ato ko. Masama ko sa labad. Thank you.
Yeah.
Oh, so this is...
I almost stepped on me.
Oh, what, Dad?
I don't see anything.
Nobody's allowed to go there.
That's fucking retard. Well, retards die. If they want to die,
That's
or we can go in here and swim.
This one is itchy.
I don't care.
Okay. For swimming. But because a few people are stupid, now they don't allow it. Oh, that's the mixed one back there.
Uwang lagi nagtuog.
Sagway sa putanan mo sa pot. Rich in vitamin C naman. Okay.
Do you know why I'm in the front? Where are they?
Prutas ka na yung butan na doon buwan. Sa ato. Oh.
Daghan siguro din bukuan.
Awawa kay nakita ang mga mangga nga parehas sa ato, no? Wa jud kay mapalit diri. Naay pareha gitsura nga murag mga kanang nay dabong pa. Tinuod jud inig-abli nimo mura rag dabong jud nga mura mag-ahatot. Kapila na ko sa ipalit mga ikaupat palit mo undang ko. Ay aw na ba permero. Sunod ako na yung pili nga kanang bukdoon. Siguro mong YouTube.
Horrible.
Remember the last time somebody died and they restricted us
But
from
there's
going down?
people have been dying over here for years. It's good. Yeah, but it gets to a point where you just can't even go.
I can see the ocean.
They should just make it, honestly, kumain na. Yeah, they should.
Now we're going here, of course. Of course we're going here.
Down there.
Look at there's a little pool.
Yeah, it's so nice to swim in.
I wish I could swim in there.
Yeah.
What is that?
Pretty flower.
Smells good.
I think so.
Visitor carrier, both
Visitor
sides.
center.
Danger
See,
ahead
this is
closed.
This was the way down.
Why was it closed?
terrible.
Why?
We used to come here and swim. You could climb on the rocks. People jump in. But now because people get killed,
They're scared already.
protecting everyone because
Hi, da, da, da.
You got guava.
The guava. I hate guava.
But you drink guava juice.
Ew.
You know?
Ew. Yeah? Guava tastes weird though.
So before we can swim in here.
Na mau ito nagmask po day.
Why whenever we go places you wear mask?
Because I'm allergic to pollens and smells from the nga na ng dapaw kat. From itchy leaves. Allergens, pollens.
Let me read.
Okay, well, see, there are a couple more. Disclaimer. Careful, Tilly, no. No, don't.
I want to stand right here.
She's ready to fucking fall.
I'm just going to show this to the camera.
Okay.
I'm not
Still
gonna
a 7-year-old,
You do dumb things.
Yes.
So you're telling me I'm dumb?
No, you're not dumb.
We're
Saying-
telling you that you're clumsy.
I'm not
Your motor
clumsy.
One
skills
day,
aren't special
some other
yet.
family's kid will fall off here, then they'll build a fence here too.
Yeah, but I'm not gonna take my bird from here. I'd love to.
Okay.
Come on, Tilly, this way. Because if you stumble forward, that's the ending.
Uh-huh.
I'm going by.
I'm going to be ahead.
Huh?
You're going the long way.
Them? Oh, they can go down there. You can go see some more.
Okay. Ow. Ow. I just squished my foot.
Tilly, you hold somebody's hand. Don't go solo. Always with somebody.
Let's go there.
I want
You wanna go there?
to. Yeah.
Hold ko yan si.
I'm holding Nana's hand. There's a bunch of rocks. I won't fall. Why are you so scared about me?
Come on.
Why? I'm not going there. I'm looking here.
Okay.
But I am gonna go there.
Yeah, come.
Yeah, I'm going there.
Okay, you go ahead of me so I won't block your view.
Because I have the GoPro.
Yes. You don't want your viewers to just watch mommy's back, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
That's why I went ahead of you
Yeah, that's
earlier. And then you're like, oh yeah, because she needs
You gotta watch your
the view.
step though.
Can I first just give them the view of the ocean?
Yes.
There's a little waterfall.
Where?
Right there.
Oh.
Two of them. Can you see two?
Yeah.
There is two. See like a little line?
There's two up there.
Yeah, that's two and this is two. Let's go over here where Daddy is.
Let's go to Daddy.
Stop bending my hand like this. Look. You're bending it like this. Look
I'm
at,
hanging on to
look at what you're doing.
you. Fall together.
Wait, what?
We'll fall together.
No, that's no good.
You and I.
That I
One or nothing.
Wow.
Yeah, you getting it?
Nice.
I'm getting it. Look what I'm doing.
I know, it's good. Good, Tilly.
I'm coming. So much people have the GoPro.
Yeah. Oh, look at the waves.
The waves are the best.
He chose not to come. That was his choice. Like, that was for me a bad choice.
Yeah.
Because, you know, having a headache doesn't stop you from walking. Like, your head is not connected to your
Legs.
Yeah. It's just
connected to your brain.
Or
It's
legs.
connected to your brain.
Oh, that's where the good